Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of what might just be the best plus-size knee-length dress on the market right now.
The OUGES Women's Summer Short Sleeve V-Neck Floral Short Party Dress with Pockets. This dress has been making waves for its stylish design and comfortable fit. It's crafted from 95% polyester and 5% spandex, ensuring a breathable and skin-friendly experience. The short sleeves and V neckline give it a classic yet modern look, perfect for various occasions. It comes in a beautiful floral pattern with side pockets, which are not only practical but also add to the charm of the dress. The A-line silhouette and knee-length design make it flattering for all body types, especially plus sizes.
It's a pull-on closure type, making it easy to wear and take off.
Care is simple with machine wash instructions, and it's imported with high-quality craftsmanship. For styling, you can pair this dress with a shoulder bag and high heels for a chic daytime look.
Alternatively, accessorize with different types of shoes to match the occasion. Whether it's for business during the day or a holiday party at night.
One of the major benefits of this dress is its versatility. Whether you're heading to a brunch with friends, a casual day at work, or even a semi-formal event, this dress adapts effortlessly to any setting.
The fabric is comfortable against the skin, ensuring you feel relaxed throughout the day.
To wrap it up, the OUGES Women's Summer Short Sleeve V-Neck Floral Short Party Dress with Pockets is not just a dress. It's a wardrobe staple for any woman looking for style and comfort in one package. With its flattering fit and stylish design, it's easy to see why this dress has become a favorite among many.
If you're interested in checking out this dress for yourself or someone you know, I've left a link in the description below where you can find more details and purchase it.
Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.